Hello and what's up guys? Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you to fix Windows 11 beeping sound problem. Without further ado, let's get started. There are only few things you can do in case of beeping sound problem on your PC. First of all, you can try restarting your PC. If that doesn't fix your issue, you can try updating your Windows. To update your Windows, go to the Windows bar and search settings, and from there find out the section called Windows Update and update your Windows. After updating your Windows, check whether your problem fixed or not. If not, try updating your driver. Go to the device manager and from there you need to update driver related to sound video. So go to the sound video and from there you need to update your driver. After trying all the possible solutions to fix this issue, if you are still dealing with the problem, then you need to consult with laptop repairer or anyone who know how to deal with the problem related to hardware. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier on the video that it is a problem which is basically related to hardware, not a software. So you need to consult with laptop repair or hardware repair nearby your place. Hopefully this video help you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.